Three things that you need to do to make this happen. One is daily green juice. Now that's a juice, not a blended smoothie, so it's through a juice extractor where the pulp is separated from the liquid. A daily green juice, try to limit the fruits in that so that it's just cucumber, some leafy greens, and lemon and ginger. Very, very simple. Second thing to do is proper food combining. So try not to mix starches with fleshes as a primary thing. So if you want to have pasta, don't have it with chicken. If you want to have meat, don't have it with a potato. If you want to have a starch or a flesh, have it with a water-containing green vegetable preferably. So that's the first thing. There's a lot of different food combining rules, but the primary one is not to mix starches with fleshes. And then I would add not to mix fruit with anything else. So if you really want to have fruit, have it on an empty stomach, preferably before you eat any other kind of concentrated food, any kind of more, let's say, dense food. But those are the basic tenets of food combining. Like I said, I've got in my books food combining charts and in much more detail. But if you can just keep your starches away from your fleshes and you can keep fruit away from everything else, you will have begun your food combining journey. So that's really, really important to get that down. Daily green juice and good food combining. And finally, making sure that you wash your large intestine with water so that this waste can leave. The green juices, the cleaner diet, it's going to awaken the waste. It's going to loosen it all up so that the water introduced into the intestine can carry it away. The combination of these three things is all you need to begin your journey. Stick with it. See the results. They're going to be as clear as day for you. And I guarantee you, if you do this consistently, you will never look back and you will be so happy. And you'll be empowered and everything in your life will upgrade for it. I commend it to you. I give you my love and support. And I look forward to hearing your results. So much love and bye for now.